Hello and welcome friend to my YouTube channel Techno Ranjay, and in this video and the Java tutorial series we will discuss about the second method of polymorphism, that is the overriding method. Last video we have completed overloading method, and in this video we will see the whole concept and the practical knowledge of overriding method. Okay, so we have the project polymorphism. We will just create another package in this. So package name as method overriding. We have got the another package method overriding. Create a class. So we just create a class in that particular package. Overriding. Click on the main method. Finish it. So we have got the class as a method class as overriding. Okay, we have got the main method also in this. Now here what we will have to do, we just create a two classes, class techno1. So we have one class, and also we will create a method void show. We have got the class as well as, and we will create another class. So this change the name of the class and the method will be same. So we have got the two classes with the same name or same method with the same name and the same argument. So concept of method overriding, you just populate some message here. We have given a message here as a so we have created two classes with the same method. Just see here, we have two methods with the same name and the same argument also. So what the method overriding says, that when you create a object, so we create an object of class 2, and in the overriding method the concept of inheritance is also introduced. So what you have to do, if two methods are same, then the second class must extend the first class. So this will be the child class and this is the parent class. So what we will have to do, extends techno1. So we have extend the class techno1 and we have two methods. Now just create a object of second class. Okay, techno2 t2 is equal to new techno2 we have created the object of class 2, and just here access, in order to call that particular method we will call the method show. So when you create a show in this, just we have completed the coding of the method overloading. You will see that we have extended the class 1, okay, in the class 2, and the method is same. In the overloading method, last concept of overloading, what we have given that the similar method is similar but the argument was changed and it was occurring in the same class. But in the overriding method we have two classes with the same methods, and we will extend the first class, and when you call this method you will get the result. Let's see. Just overriding, just call this method, run this method, run as a Java application. So you will get the result. So we have got the output as a hello world with techno 2. We have got the output of this. So when this call this method, it override this method. This first method is overridden in this method. So this is called the concept of method overriding. So two most important concept of polymorphism is method overloading and overriding. I will give the link of method overloading also, so you can check in description as well. So for the time being, thanks for watching. In the future video, I will show you another methods and the concept of Java tutorial, core Java tutorial. So please subscribe our channel and like the video, comment and share the video. Thanks for watching.